Roasted butternut squash, sugar snap peas, and ricotta. Split the squash in half, score it, add olive oil and salt. You're going to quickly grill it, flip it, and roast it for about 45 minutes to an hour till it's nice and soft. In the meantime, I'm going to pick some of those beautiful sugar snaps that I grew. They're seriously so good. Destem it, split it in half, remove half that casing, and expose all those beautiful peas. Next, take some ricotta and add lemon zest, salt, pepper, sesame seeds, lemon juice, and a little bit of fresh basil. This is called a chiffonade. Stack all the leaves, roll them like a cigar, and slice them fine. Add it into this fresh and light, bright mixture. Sourdough, olive oil, on the grill, give it a nice toast. Make sure it's crunchy on the outside, but still soft on the inside. Now you're just gonna layer it like an open facade sandwich. We're gonna add the peas, the squash, the ricotta, more lemon juice, more olive oil, salt and pepper. Garnish it with some of those beautiful tendrils and get it in your belly. This was absolutely fantastic.